Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. This is my favorite pair of cockatiels. They laid eggs again. I opened the box today and saw that they had laid 3 eggs. They had laid eggs before, but the chicks did not hatch. Still, they are my favorite because they are both tame and come to me when I call them. If you have a cockatiel, or if you love all animals, then follow the page and subscribe to the channel and support me during this difficult time. Follow the page and subscribe to the follow and subscribe to watch more new videos about birds.